Hey, I see a lot of people teaching the technical aspect of, hey, sell an AI voice agent to small businesses. But I think the thing that's missing is the strategy behind it. And it's not just about answering the phones, it's way deeper than that. This strategy here has allowed me to be very successful with selling AI voice services to small businesses. And the strategy is simple. If we look on the left here, this is a landline. So a customer's calling a small business, that person answers their landline. Hey, how are you? They maybe have a question about a service. Maybe it's just a general Q&A question like, what are your hours? What are your different services? Maybe they don't convert. It's all about context. As a small business owner, as a coach, as whatever, like you always want to be building your list, or you want to help a business build their customer list. And so the left here with the landlines, you're not building your customer list besides, the phone log that gets sent by Verizon or AT&T, whoever the phone provider is. Or if that receptionist is, typing in their CRM or their notes or wherever they keep their notes about the context about, hey, Jimmy called and they're interested about plumbing service A, and that kind of stuff. I doubt that's happening. If it is, it's maybe a little bit rare. And so that's the power of the AI agent. And so the goal for the AI agent is not to take over the receptionist job. It's to empower the business and help them never miss a phone call again. And so the big thing with the phone AI agent and also the web AI agent is that it's capturing the context of the data of somebody calling. And so it's empathetic, it's asking questions, it's understanding, hey, what's their first and last name? What service are they interested in? I'll zoom in over here a little bit. Like, what service are they interested in? And it's able to capture that detail, log it in the CRM automatically, which now gives the business owner some context about Jimmy, and he's interested in HVAC repair, and we may want to enroll him now into that HVAC repair newsletter that we have, or promo, or whatever that is. And so that's the power of the AI voice agent. It's able to capture all that information on a call, and you can do so much more with it. You're getting a full transcript of every single conversation. It's updating the CRM automatically. You can create opportunities in your CRM off of that. It can book calendar appointments, and it can do this 200 times in 1 minute. It's super powerful. And so I want to show you an example of a collision center. And so this is just a little test that I've created for myself. But if I look here, I can see that I called right here. It's got a log of the call. I booked an appointment with the bot, and then over here in the notes, it's showing the full detail of the transcript. And then over here on the left, I had talked about bumper repair and on the call, and so it updated the CRM about bumper repair. And so you could just see, like, if somebody's got a salon and they mention like head spa massage or whatever, like, you could update that in your contact field, and now you know that whoever is interested in that service. So that's kind of the piece there where let's have a value conversation instead of just a cost conversation, because with the voice AI answering service, I like to look at it through the lens of Alex Hormozi's value equation, which is dream outcome times perceived likeliness of achievement. Increase those as much as you can, like make that perception huge, but then decrease the things below the equation. So how do we decrease time? How do we decrease effort and sacrifice? And if we do that, we provide value. And so that's with an AI chatbot on the website. You're providing a very quick response to the customer. So you're decreasing the effort and sacrifice and the time that it takes for them to find the information that they want. Same thing with the voice AI. It's answering 200 calls a minute, so it's never going to miss a phone call. And it's going to answer dynamically to where it's going to look at the full knowledge base of that business and answer immediately. And that way, like, nobody's having to get back with them. Like, oh, I actually don't know the answer to that. Let me get back with you. And then it's 2 days. Well, by then, that customer's already gone to the next business. And so the AI voice receptionist is able to decrease the time delay, decrease the effort and sacrifice for that client. And then inversely, that increases the value. And so I just want you to be able to see that. And with this, like, you're able to log every single call. And so this is something where you can understand the positivity, the sentiment, understand how many minutes the people are talking, how many calls are coming in. And so this is one of the restaurants that I help, and they absolutely love it because now the servers are able to be intentional with the clients, with the customers visiting the restaurant, and not picking up the phone all the time. So I hope this was valuable. If you have any questions, throw them in the comments. I truly just want to give you some strategy here. And so there's all kinds of technical videos on how to set it up. But I wanted to have a strategy session on, like, here's the why of what we're doing. So that way you can also have that strategy conversation with a small business owner. And if you'd like some help, just reach out. I'd be glad to hop on a call with you. Have a great day.